In the midst of cold winter days, the mountains covered in a blanket of white transform into a magical world. The crisp sound of snow beneath your boots signals the beginning of an indescribable experience, the joy of skiing. As you ascend to the summit with skis strapped to your feet, the snowy landscape captivates your senses. Each step leads to a more exciting adventure. When the moment arrives and you peer down from the mountaintop, the rush of adrenaline accompanies the feeling of freedom. The skis become wings of freedom, launching you into the white paradise. The thrill intensifies with the brisk wind against your face during the first descent. As you glide down, snowflakes dance on your skin, and time seems to stand still. Skiing becomes a celebration of living in the moment, leaving behind traces of freedom in your wake. Venturing into the forest, the silence envelops you. Only the sound of your descent and the perfect harmony of nature accompany you. Each turn becomes a discovery, each moment a thrill. The joy of skiing is hidden within this journey of exploration. Occasional falls, tasting a bit of snow, resting under the sun. Every moment is an opportunity to savor the joy of skiing. Challenging descents and skill-demanding turns mold you into a better skier, filling you with a sense of accomplishment. As the sun sets behind the mountains, bidding farewell to the day, you conclude your adventure. The colorful spectacle in the sky reminds you of the joy of living life to the fullest. Skiing is not just a physical activity, it is part of a lifestyle that nourishes both body and soul. In short, the joy of skiing lies in those enchanting moments amidst the mountain's snowy landscapes where freedom, adventure, and happiness converge. This unique sport takes you on a journey to the heart of nature, allowing you to discover the true meaning of life with every descent. In this white paradise adventure, you'll find yourself and savor the essence of freedom. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating skiing adventure. Your support and enthusiasm make these experiences even more special. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe for more thrilling adventures. Until next time, thank you for being part of our skiing community. Happy skiing!